friends, my name is Claudine from Les Trouvailles de Claudine. I'm presenting to you an idea today that I would like to offer as a online class, and also I will be trying to offer it in person at a boutique near my place. It's called Spa. It's a spa basket. In French we say "c'est pas possible," so it's catchy, you know, but it's a basket. So what you would do in class would be the recipes and decoration of different containers, such as this one, which is more of a decor with a light. And you will use the Epsom salt, because this is the main ingredient in all of it, to decorate, to give a glittery effect. Also, and the decoration will be to your choice. Also, you will do a hand scrub with a little tag in the recipe, and this is to scrub your hand scrub. And also with the little spoon, the container in the class will be all supplied. And finally, the salt for the bathtub. And you will learn how to decorate all that. Plus you will have a little sachet. So if you don't want to put the salt directly in the bathtub, you can use in the sachet. So the flowers stay in the sachet. And all those three, plus a little journal, gratitude journal, and very easy to do, and it's all in the same colors, as you can see. And I will be supplying in class a demonstration of how I put the basket together, and for the people who live near my place, if they can find similar items to do if they want to the basket. I have a candle, I have a little bag, a little sponge, round body texture, double body scrubber, a nice beautiful soap, and a little mini ball to put your bath salt. And you know, I forgot the name of that. Anyway, it dilutes in the bathtub. And that's it. So I would like to know if you would be interested for me to, do a mini little tutorial online on my channel here at YouTube. And if not, also I will be announcing on my Facebook page, Les Trouvailles de Claudine, when I will be teaching not far from my place, when and where, how to prepare and create this basket. Thank you so much. So if you would like to do the mini video tutorial, thumbs up, and in the comments you can also say if you would like to have it in French or English. Thank you so much, et à bientôt.